Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Educational Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC. 8th semester we will discuss the topic Origin of Life. Introduction. Several attempts have been made from time to time to explain the origin of life on Earth. As a result, these are several theories which offers their own explanation on the possible mechanism of origin of life. Following are some of them: theory of special creations, theory of spontaneous generation, theory of biogenesis, theory of biochemical evolution, theory of panspermia, and deep sea hydrothermal vent theory. First, theory of special creations. All the different forms of life created by God. Hindu concepts: Lord Brahma created the living bird in one stroke, and the Christians and the Islamic belief God created this universe, plants, animals, and human beings in about 6 days. Theory of spontaneous generation. Living things originate spontaneously from inanimate objects. It is also called abiogenesis or biopoiesis. Supporters Aristotle and von Helmont, they believed insects arise from dew, fish and frog from mud, and fly maggots from meat. Opposers Francisco Redi and Louis Pasteur, etc. Theory of panspermia, proposed by Richter in 1865 and supported by Arrhenius. Life had come to Earth from other planets of the universe in the form of resistant spores. Some other theories of entity of life, vitalisms, etc. Theory of biochemical evolutions, also known as physiochemical theories, proposed independently by Russian scientist Oparin in 1923 and an English scientist Haldane in 1928. According to this theory, life first arose from a collection of chemicals, substances by the progressive series of reactions. Early Earth surface and atmospheres radically different from today conditions. A primitive Earth atmosphere reducing types, solar radiations and lightings must have been the chief energy sources for these chemical reactions. The organic compound gradually accomplished in ocean and formed a hot dilute soup, also known as Darwin Born Little Pond. Oparin proposed that the proteinoids, nucleoprotein, and other organic and inorganic molecules aggregated and precipitated in sea, forming organized colloid aggregates called coacervates. The coacervates were able to absorb and assimilate organic compound from the environment in a way reminiscent of metabolism. They divided by budding. Uri Miller experiments. Drawback of Uri Miller experiments. Deep sea hydrothermal vent theory. Recently, some scientists put forth the hypothesis that life originates near a deep sea hydrochemical vents. Conclusion: all the evidences gathered thus far has revealed a deals about the origin of life, but there is still much to learn. Numerous scenarios have been explored for many years. What there is still a large gap between what is known and what is unknown because of the enormous length of time and the tremendous changes that has occurred since then. Much of the evidences relevant to origin has been lost and we may never know certain details. Thank you.